Hi folks, it's Rick from AC and Pocono Refrigeration Service out on a Sunday emergency call for a GE side-by-side. I've already diagnosed it. It's low in Freon. I've already installed the service valve. I'll show you all that, what I've done, and then we'll go through the procedure to diagnose. Okay, if somebody wants to try to do this on their own, maybe this will help you. All right, going into the home. Okay. So I've installed the service valve. I'll turn my headlight on so y'all can see down here. Okay, I just showed the homeowner what I did so they understand. I like to be transparent, as the new word is these days. Right there's the service valve. Takes 3 screws to hold it in, and then the center one, you drive it in clockwise to puncture the copper tubing. Now, I'm going to show you this. Alright, gauge is on 0. Now when I open the valve, you can see the needle goes down. So that's in a vacuum, so it's needing Freon. Basically, could be other reasons, but 99 out of 100 times it's low in Freon. Sometimes you got a restriction, and this has a dirty condenser too. We're going to clean that, and that should be a pretty good service for them. I think we'll get this one working no problem today. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this together. Purge the air out. Yeah, ready. When you get it above the red 0, see the red 0 there? That's a bad thing. When it's below the 0, it's called a vacuum. Okay, see it's still in the vacuum. So we're going to put some more in it. Alrighty. Let's check this freezer temp. Together. 34. Okay. Okay, 34 and 45. We should see these temperatures drop quickly. That should do it. All right, now what we want to feel for is a warm condenser because it was cold. It's getting warm now. That's good. And we want to check the gauges. Make sure we get it out of a 0. It's still in the vacuum. Little liquid. I'm doing a video for my YouTube. Maybe somebody can try to diagnose their own refrigerator watching me do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's much better. Was pretty far down into the vacuum. We're gonna keep putting some juice in it. Some Freon. This time it should come up to about 0. Let's see where we're at here. There's a good picture. Okay. Oh, that's much better. See, it's very close to 0. We're going to bring it up to 2 pounds back pressure. That's about normal. Again, you got to check for heat on this condenser. It's getting warm. It was ice cold. All right. Yeah, this should probably do it. Should stop right about there. That's pretty close. Now it's on 0. And it's stopping. Very close. See, folks? Not so bad. It's pretty easy. A little bit more, and we'll be at 2 pounds back pressure. We should do it. And then I'm going to wash that condenser down, get some of that grease off of it, and the dirt. Okay, here it goes. Okay. We want 2 pounds back pressure. That's 2 pounds right there. That's perfect though. That's where we want it. Now the refrigerator will start to cool. All right, and already I should get a better temperature. If you remember, it was 34 in the freezer. And it's only been a few minutes. Let's see what we got here. 28. It's down to 28. It was 34 when I checked it last. It's coming down quickly. Okay, thanks folks for tuning in. That's pretty much it. That would be a low Freon situation and a dirty condenser. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. If you need any work done on any refrigeration, air conditioning, or heating, any make and model, give us a call, 484-764-7738. Thank you.